Moving forward, if we talk about the leadership in a different aspects, there's going to be a lot of challenges, right? There's going to be a lot of heartbreaks that you could never imagined of, right? Your soul will come out from your body with the heartbreaks that you're gonna see as a person, and I guess those heartbreaks makes you stronger. That those heartbreaks are the make and break of you. अगर आप उन हार्ट ब्रेक्स को, उन दिलों के दुखों को अगर आपने गुजार लिया, अगर आप उसको उसको सह लिया, चाहे आप जितना नीचे गिरे, नो प्रॉब्लम. Certain time you feel like that you're down, you don't want to do anything, you can go back, you can sit back, you can relax yourself down for a couple of days, and then you can come back and start doing what you were doing initially. But this is very important कि हार्ट ब्रेक्स जो है ना, वो आपको इस किस्म के मिल सकते हैं कि आप तसव्वुर भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. Recently I had an accident with my friend, और he was a childhood friend of mine. 17-18 साल पुराना, 17-18 years old friend of mine. I'm not gonna name out, and I'm not gonna talk about that what actually he did, but उसने बस एक कंपनी का कॉन्फिडेंशियल डेटा जो है वो जाकर he went out to my another best friend, tried to sell it to him. I'm not gonna go into the details. So many people already know about that. I'm not here to talk about those things, but I'm just telling you that when I got to know about that and when I was facing that particular situation, I won't be able to explain that how I felt at that time. I was like, I had our mutual friend with me at that time. He's also our childhood friend, and I just said him that this is it. Like, this is, and I was quiet, and I was like, I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to respond. I wasn't angry. मुझे गुस्सा नहीं था. मुझे दुख नहीं था. मैं रो नहीं रहा था. I was just stuck. I wasn't able to process at that time. I was trying to process it, that how something like this can happen.